Want to learn my foolproof method on how to make an alkaline diet meal plan? Watch this video to learn how. For the best meal planning tips and to be notified every Tuesday when I post a new video, hit the bell to subscribe. Hey meal preppers, it's Allison, Prep Dish founder. I'm here to help you create a happier, healthier mealtime. In this video, I will show you how to create an alkaline meal plan in 5 simple steps. Step number 1 is the meal count. So grab your calendar and count how many meals you will need for the week. Don't forget breakfast and snacks. Also count the number of servings that you need for each meal. Don't forget to include any guests that might be joining you. Check your fridge, freezer, and pantry and see if you have any meals there. If so, remove that from your total meal count. So step number 2 is to focus on approved foods. This step is important for both your alkaline diet plan success and for keeping your mindset positive. My advice is to only look at foods that you can have instead of looking at foods that you can't have and trying to figure out how to make it work. The alkaline diet can seem restrictive, but by focusing on foods and recipes that you can have, it shifts the focus onto all the tasty foods that you can enjoy. I suggest having an extensive list of alkaline foods that you can select from. You may want to remove any foods that you don't care for from the list so that when you're reviewing this list, it only has foods that you enjoy. Step number 3 is selecting the recipes. So this is the fun part. There's 2 different approaches that I use for selecting recipes. The first method is to just select foods from your list that you enjoy and combine them into a meal. So you might want to take some veggies and turn them into a stir fry, or take different ingredients to form a salad. The second method is to find recipes specific to your alkaline eating plan. This is key. I find that sticking to recipes that you know are approved is so much easier than trying to force a non-compliant dish to work into your plan. And as I mentioned earlier, you'll want to make sure and include a breakfast recipe as well. I often just do 1 or 2 breakfast options for the entire week. Here's a few ideas when selecting recipes. The first is to invest in some books that have options for an alkaline diet lunch, an alkaline diet dinner, etc. You can also search Pinterest for specific recipes for alkaline eating. But keep in mind, you may still want to reference your approved list. Some of the recipes that you find on Pinterest may not do a great job of adhering to your specific plan. Now, depending on the specific acid-alkaline diet you're following, you may need to look at your week as a whole. For example, I use Dr. Darin Ingels' book, The Lyme Solution, as my go-to resource for alkaline diets. He recommends limiting protein each week, so make sure the recipes you select meet his criteria. You can usually just cut back on the amount of protein in a recipe to make this fit. After this step, you should know exactly what you're making for the entire week. The fourth step is the grocery list and shopping. In this step, you'll begin taking the ingredients from each recipe you selected in the previous step and forming these into a consolidated alkaline grocery list. Quickly review the items to make sure everything is compliant with your alkaline diet plan. This is where you may need to reference a book like The Lyme Solution and ensure your week as a whole is compliant. Dr. Ingels focuses on Lyme disease, but the alkaline diet has applications beyond this. Another resource is the Dr. CV Alkaline Diet Plan. The Dr. CV Diet is a great resource if you're looking for an alkaline diet for beginners. After you have your consolidated grocery list, you'll need to purchase the groceries. Consider doing a grocery delivery or curbside pickup to save time. Step 5 is optional, and that is meal prep. After you have the groceries, this is an optional step of chopping up your veggies, mixing any sauces or seasonings, and getting things done before the week starts. Meal prepping happens to be my specialty. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a video on meal prep when eating alkaline foods. Now you know my method for creating an alkaline meal plan. If you're looking for done-for-you meal plans, I've got you covered. Check out the link below. I created these meal plans with Dr. Ingels to ensure that each week is alkaline. The plans include an organized grocery list, specific instructions for meal prepping the recipes ahead of time. My goal with these plans is to save you time and make following an alkaline diet easy. What are your favorite alkaline diet recipes and foods? Let me know in the comments below. And remember that at Prep Dish, I am doing the meal planning for you. If you want to check out my alkaline meal plans, use that link below. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.